Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node, you have the planet Mercury, which is about communication and mentality. And then you have Cancer. Some of you could be dealing with a Cancer, some of you could have it in your chart. One thing I noticed is there was a 15 on this Mercury card, and then the number 15 is also on this Masquerade card, two different decks. That number could be significant to you, could be your birthday. Cancer energy is I feel. The sensitive energy of water finds strength and direction through the cardinal take charge quality and remind you that emotional intelligence plays a huge role in shaping relationships and life. The key phrase I feel means that the motivation comes from your emotions. In this situation, ask, what feels right? Take the emotional temperature of the situation before acting. Feelings are complicated things. We often confuse our actual emotions with the stories we tell ourselves about those emotions. Those stories can distract us from the actual feeling. Avoid emotional manipulation of yourself and others. So then, yes, you have Masquerade. Make sure you guys see that. Sorry about that glare. The stage is bargain. What I can't have forever, I'll have for a minute. What I can't have for a minute, I will hold to me for 1 second. Under the guise of Cupid, I will come to you. Under the guise of a thief, I will fly away. Going dark. There's often guilt in taking the mask of Don Juan, or Dona Juana. Sorry, Don Juana. The seducer is not a master of love, neither a manipulation. He is the master of the ephemeral, of what is fleeting and brief and transient to the extreme. He is the master of the moment, and as such, he forgot all other kinds of eternity. There is a guilt if you care, because you're not building. There's a guilt out of loss, because you're not treasuring. There's a guilt out of indifference, because when we don't care, you cheat yourself of meaning and value. Sometimes there's guilt in the selfishness, in the desire itself, in everything leading to pleasure, as if the only pleasure that can be sacred are only those labeled as such. The masquerade is a dance. It's a road that goes in circles and ebbs and flows, and always ends with the first light. Before the time comes, hold it tightly. When the time comes, let it go. And that's interesting because you have the number 10 on this dice, and that's about endings. Okay, Earth signs, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.